capacitor, one medium-sized capacitor. But when you can tell it's actually lighting up this little bulb here, and it will actually light up this compact fluorescent bulb when you get it close to it. Actually light the whole thing up. I'm a little bit afraid of it. It's got maybe probably 50 to 100,000 volts coming off of it to cause the light to light up like that, but it's pretty unique. You raise it up. It's just a plain bulb in my hand, no wires, nothing connected to it, and you just hold it down there close to it, and it will, again, no wires, nothing. Gotta look close to it, and it just lights up. Actually, I can lay it down, and it will stay lit up. No wires connected to it.